Hey there, looking to sell your Bitcoin on Binance? It's super easy, and I'm here to guide you through the steps. First things first, log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the top menu and click on Trade. You'll see two options, Classic and Advanced. Choose the one you're comfortable with. For most users, Classic works just fine. Now, you're in the trading interface. Look for the trading pairs on the right side. If you want to sell Bitcoin for USDT, find and click on the BTC USDT pair. You can also sell for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies by selecting the appropriate pair. Next, scroll down to the Sell BTC section. Here, you'll enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You'll also need to choose your order type, market or limit. For a quick sale, go with market. This ensures your Bitcoin is sold instantly at the current market price. Once you've double-checked everything, click Sell BTC, and that's it. Your sale will be processed, and the funds will appear in your fiat or crypto wallet, depending on what pair you chose. From there, you can withdraw the funds as needed. Easy, right? So next time you need to sell some Bitcoin, just follow these steps and you'll be done in no time. Happy trading! Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Binance tips. See you next time.